welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to learn how to crack some challenging problems that related to the trigonometric ratios without actually using pen or paper. No pen, no paper, the solution you will get. Such kind of the tricks which are associated with those problems can be learned in this video. Let's start our class. First problem is, now we start up with is the problem 1 plus tan 45 degrees into 1 plus tan 44 degrees into 1 plus tan 43 degrees and so on. 1 plus tan 2 degrees into 1 plus tan 1 degree. So this answer is 2 power 23. So in what way I have solved this is just in a second. Just observe the given one. Let me crack this how it is with the help of a symmetric. 1 plus tan 45 degrees. I am writing a whatever is the problem is given. 1 plus tan 44 degrees into 1 plus tan and so on. 1 plus tan 2 degrees into 1 plus tan 1 degree. Now we all know tan 45 value is 1. So 1 plus 1 here is 2. In the same way, can you say that 1 plus tan 44 value is what? No, we don't know that. What is the tan 44? We can't say that. That means it is not a standard angle value. We know only the standard angle values. Tan 43, no, there is no chance. We don't know what is its value. In the same way, tan 2 degree, tan 1 degree, tan 10 degree, tan 20 degree. We don't know that. Isn't it? So what I am going to do is, just I am selecting tan 1 plus tan 44 into 1 plus tan 1 degree as a group. Why I have selected 1 plus tan 44 into 1 plus tan 1 degree as a group? There is no reason. Just if I add the 44 and 1, I will get 45 degrees. So I am selecting the pair of given whose sum of the angles is 45. In the same way, can you select the next pair like that? Yes, obviously. 1 plus tan 43 degrees into, what is the pair for this one? 1 plus tan 2 degrees and so on. Sometimes 2 into, here you need to learn this one. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is always is equal to 2 whenever A plus B is 45. So can I say 1 plus tan 44 degrees into 1 plus tan 1 degree value is 2? Yes, we can say. Reason is, we know that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is always what? 2 whenever A plus B equal to 45. So 44 plus 1 is 45. 1 plus tan 44 into 1 plus tan 1 degree is 2. So here it is 2. In the same way, 2. But how I know that? Here how many 2's are there? First, don't consider the first 2 which is separately we got. Later, observe that how many numbers are there? Nothing but how many multiplication factors are there? Those are 44. How can we say they are 44? Here I have started multiplication from 44 to 1. Am I making a single factor is one group? No. 2 factors are one group. 44 and 1 are group. 43 and 2 are group. In the same way, 20 and 25 is a group, 21 and 24 is a group. How I am saying? I am adding those two, I am getting 45 in that way. Like that, 1 plus tan 43, 1 plus tan 42. Definitely it is end up with 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 22. This is the last pair of factors. Yes, in that way I can. Totally 44 numbers. With the 44 numbers, how many pairs we can do it? Obviously we can make the 22 pairs. So like that, how many 2's will come? 22 2's will be come. 2 power 22. But already 1 is there. Then 2 power 1 into 2 power 22. Then answer is 2 power 23. In that way we can crack it. What is the trick here? 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 2 main. Whenever A plus B equal to 45. So here I simply taken 44 is the number. 44 to 1. 44 numbers are there. With the help of the 44 I made 22 pairs. Each pair will give you 2. That means 2 power 22 is actual answer. But here one more factor is there. That is 1 plus tan 45, which gives you 2. 2 power 22 into 2 power 1. The answer is 2 power 23. Let's move to the next problem. Now look at these problems. In the second problem is 1 plus tan 22 degrees into 1 plus tan 23 degrees by 1 plus tan 12 degrees into 1 plus tan 33 degrees. Clearly answer is 1. In what way? In what way means, first of all our topic is without using pen and paper we can solve this kind of problem. Those only we are working now. That is, if you observe what are the angles? What are the angles? 22 and 20. By adding that, will you get that 45? Our trick is about 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B, which is equal to 2 whenever A plus B is equal to 45. So, 22 plus 23 is 45 mean 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan A value obviously 2. So, can I write numerator value is 2? Yes, we can write numerator value is 2. In the same manner, 1 plus tan 12 degrees into 1 plus tan 33. 12 plus 33, 45. We know that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is 2. Whenever A plus B is 45. So, can I write here 2 by 2? Then 2 by 2 will give you 1. Now look at the third problem. It is tan 17 plus tan 28 plus tan 17 into tan 28. Its value is 1. In what way I can express that its value is 1 is, we know our topic is about the proving some trigonometric ratios without using pen and paper and without actually knowing the concept. So in what way I am doing it? 17 plus 28 it is 45. For this what I am going to take is, let me assume this is the k. Now let me write it is k plus 1. So it is 1 plus tan 17 plus tan 28 plus tan 17 into tan 28. So can I write 1 plus tan 17? Yes. Plus it is tan 28. What I done is simply I have taken 28 is common. So 1 plus tan 17. Clearly 1 plus tan 17 into 1 plus tan 28 is k plus 1. Right. So again it is looking like 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B value is what? Its value is 2. Whenever it is like this is given, can we write 2? No. You should identify the angles. What are those? 17 and 28 by adding that 45. So k plus 1 value is what? It is 2. So k value is what? 2 minus 1, it's 1. In that way we can do it. Now look at the fourth problem. Tan 56 minus tan 11 minus tan 56 into tan 11. Which value is also 1? How? See here 56 and it is 11. 56 minus 11. What is the value? It's a tan 40. Nothing but tan 45 value is 1. But in what way we can do is, let us add 1 on both sides by assuming it as k. So k plus 1 is equal to 1 plus tan 56. So what we can write it? 1 plus k is equal to 1 plus tan 56. Take out minus tan 11 degrees is out. 1 plus tan 56. So 1 plus k equal to 1 plus tan 56 into 1 minus tan 11. It is clearly looking like 1 plus tan A into, it is clearly looking like 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B, where A means 56, B means 11. We know that 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B is equal to 2 whenever A minus B is 45 degrees. What is the A minus B value here? 56 minus 11 is 45. So its value is 2. So what can I write? 1 plus k equal to 2, then k equal to 1. So in that way we can write that its value is 1. So these are the three problems which we can solve. Here it is in the form of the two values whose difference is maybe 45. First angle minus second angle minus first into second. In that way it is there, we can write it as 1. Or first angle plus second angle plus first into second angle of tan. Maybe the sum of those two angles is 45. You can write its value is 1. Let us move to some more interesting problems. Without using pen and paper, how can we solve in this kind of model? Now look at the fifth problem. It is 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan 4 alpha, which is equal to 2. Then what is the alpha? Then what is the alpha value they are asking you? Then alpha is clearly pi by 20. Why? We know that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Then what will happen to A plus B? That means it is A and it is B if you are thinking. That means A plus B value is 40. We know that A plus B is 45. Then alpha plus 4 alpha is 45. Clearly 5 alpha is 45. Then alpha is equal to 9 degrees. Can you express the 9 degrees in terms of pi radian? Obviously, which is multiplied with pi by 180, then one time it is 20 times. So alpha value is pi by 20 is the value. Let us go for the sixth problem. A is equal to 1 plus tan 73 into 1 minus tan 28 degrees. Then what is the A minus 2 value they are asking you? We know that its value is anyhow 0. In what way is 1 plus tan 73. Do you know what is its value? That means we don't know, but can you express it as 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B? Yes. Which value will be 2 whenever A minus B is equal to 45. 73 minus 28. Yes, it is 45. So its value is what? A value is 2. A minus 2 is what? 0. In that way we have a solve. Now see here. y is equal to 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B. Whenever A minus B is pi by 4 means 45 degree. Then find the value of y minus 1 whole power y plus 1, y plus 1 whole power y minus 1 plus y plus 1 plus y minus 1 whole power y minus 1 is given. You know this y value is what? 2. Reasoning 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B. Value will be 2 whenever their difference is 45 degrees. So y value is 2 mean y minus 1 whole power y plus 1. That means 2 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. We know that y value is 2. Now they are asking that 2 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 whole power 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1. Here it is 1 power 3, 3 power 1, 3 power 3 plus 1 power 1. We know 1 power 3 1, 3 power 3 3, 3 power 3 27 plus 1 power 1 is 1. Clearly 27 plus 3 is 30, 31 and 32. Answer is 32. But none of the option is matching with us. 2 power 1 by 2 no. But 64 whole power 1 by 2 is 8. 256 whole power 1 by 2 which is 16. Clearly 1024 square root is 32. In that way we can select our option. In this video you have learned the 5 to 7 problems which are relevant to the trigonometric ratios 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2 whenever their sum is equal to 45 degrees or 1 plus tan A into 1 minus tan B degrees which is equal to 2 whenever their difference is pi by 4. With some more tricks and interesting problems, you have to follow my further videos for very conceptual and most challenging problems. Please subscribe, share, like my channel. SAC E-Classes, a specialist learning center for everyone. Thank you for watching.